Welcome to this course. This is a Python guided project building a PDF file handling tool from scratch. This is a comprehensive Udemy course designed to elevate your Python skills and enrich your programming portfolio. In this course, you will embark on an exciting journey to master PDF manipulation using Python. You will learn how to merge multiple PDF files into a single document and split a large PDF into smaller multiple pages, more manageable parts. Then you will learn how to extract valuable text content and embedded images from the PDF pages. This is a crucial skill for data extraction and analysis. Additionally, you will discover how to add and remove password protection from PDF files to ensure your documents are secure when needed and accessible when required. I'll guide you through the process of rearranging, deleting, and rotating PDF pages to suit your needs. You will learn reading, adding, and modifying metadata to keep your files well organized and searchable. Furthermore, you will learn how to optimize PDFs, reducing file sizes without sacrificing their quality. This is very essential for efficient storage and sharing. This course culminates in the creation of a versatile PDF file handling tool where you will gain hands-on experience in building executable.exe files from the Python codes. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this course will equip you with the skills to handle PDFs like a pro. And you can significantly enhance your Python portfolio. Join today and learn PDF manipulation using Python, develop a versatile PDF file handling tool, and enhance your Python portfolio. Let's begin your journey.